Hey guys, so happy 4th of July weekend.
Yeah.
There is going to be a lot of chip eating this weekend.
Lots of chips.
Yeah, so we thought we would run down some chips flavors for you. I went to the store to find the contest winner chip.
Yeah.
Couldn't find it anywhere.
The
So I
local
had to,
contest winner from Sapulpa, right? Is that
right.
what you're talking about?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I had to actually special order it from Amazon. So it finally showed up just in time. I'm Hernandez from the Eagle, and this is Karla with a K.
Karla Cantrell from K95.5, and
I'm Jill Munroe with 103.3 The Eagle.
Okay, so here we are. So if you haven't heard the story, it's such a great story.
love it.
From Sapulpa, her name is Paula George. She entered a contest called, also a great contest title. It is called
Do us a flavor.
Do Us a Flavor. Such a dad joke
Right.
title.
Wasn't this based on her dad's recipe?
Which is
Speaking
so
of dad
appropriate.
jokes?
Yes.
Absolutely. So a bunch of recipes were entered. Paula's was chosen, and it is bacon grilled cheese flavor. And it's because her dad used to make her bacon grilled cheese sandwiches as a kid.
And she loved them.
He's passed away, so it's a very nostalgic and kind of really wants you to feel like, back in the day when things were great.
I love that something with so much heart and such a great backstory
Yes.
actually won the contest.
It
Like, she
won.
won, right?
Yep.
She won $1 million.
$1 million
Holy
for
cow.
her awesome flavor. You know what's so cool too is it's cool or it's not cool, but it's so popular because we all want to try it.
Yeah.
You can't even buy it in the stores. You can't find it.
Wow.
I couldn't
So
find it.
you have to go online
So-
and find it.
Yeah, she got $1 million for it, and I gave her a few more dollars.
Yeah. Okay,
Okay.
well, since you did the honors, go ahead.
Oh, all
open.
right.
Yeah,
so
open
here
up.
we go.
Woo!
Here's the chips.
I'm so excited.
Yep.
Thank you, Paula. So here we go.
Who gets to go first?
Oh, here you go.
Okay.
Ready?
That's amazing.
Go for
Okay.
Go for it. Don't go yet.
Bacon grilled cheese.
And it does.
Oh my God.
Tastes like
That's
bacon grilled
really
cheese.
good.
It's actually very, very good.
How are you? Would you like some
Absolutely.
bacon grilled cheese laced chips? Okay, here we
We
go.
are doing a taste test right now.
So
That's
since-
good. I'm not really getting bacon. It's like smoky cheese. Right?
So
me try
since
another
it's since
Yeah.
it's
To make
4th
sure.
of July, and I went out and tried to buy these, I couldn't find them anywhere. Here you go. I did run into. I realized there are a lot of chips that I've never heard of before.
It happens a lot. It's America, man. We have so many chips and so many flavors. It's crazy.
So we're here to test some more. Jill Munroe, what's the next one?
This is the wavy Funyuns. Whoa.
Oh, I love Funyuns. This is going to be great. All right.
This is your 420 chip right here. Let me tell you. All right, here we go.
Being on K95.5, I didn't get that joke till right now. I was like, it costs $4.20. All right, there you go. Funyun. First of all, I love the wavy. Let me just tell you, the wavy chip is the way to go in my world.
Yep, this is good too. Tastes just like a Funyun.
It
Love it.
does taste just like a Funyun.
Oh.
In chip form. Interesting.
It's been so long since I've had a Funyun.
I know.
But it's a different type of texture than your Funyun. So if you don't like that kind of Funyun texture, chips.
Hey.
All
I,
day.
don't, I like regular Funyuns better, but the wavy chip is, I like
I
it.
gotta share with you my TikTok life hack that I got off TikTok. So my kids are at the age of they're growing so fast, I have to buy them new clothes all the time.
Oh, yeah.
And what happened? The hangers at Walmart, the ends of them are clips. Instead of throwing them away like I used to, I saw this on TikTok.
Break them.
Cut
Chip
them
clips.
cut them off.
Perfect. Brilliant.
Now,
All right. I hate to blow your
I
TikTok guy.
have a million of these. I do. Look.
Yeah. That's funny. I hate to blow your TikTok guy, but you can also go to the dollar store and get
And
clothes
just
hangers.
buy them. Oh, yeah.
And how much do those
Clothes
cost?
$1.
I
They're like
know.
a bag of
You know how
like
much these cost?
200.
Free.
Zero.
Zero. Well, what
Okay.
are your kids' clothes? I don't have little kids anymore.
All right, let's
so-
go.
True, we don't.
Go, come on, more
All
chips.
right. Flamin' hot dill pickle. I'm a little afraid of this
All
one
right,
because of the
okay.
flaming hot. I
Yeah.
don't like hot stuff.
Cheetos.
I'm a
I
big
like
baby.
the dill pickle though. Dill pickle chips.
Oh, dill
chips are
pickle's
great.
the best.
These, so I have a 15-year-old son, and he would be all about these.
Why?
Which means I would not be all about these.
All I see is red
Me
dye
too.
number 5. You see
Yeah.
that? Like these are gonna be illegal in about 5 seconds.
I'm
They're gonna
already
be like,
feeling
no.
my gut on fire
Right.
and a trip to the bathroom after this one.
Happy 4th of July weekend, everybody.
Yeah.
We've got 3 more chips to try.
Oh,
Okay.
oh.
I know, that's nasty.
No.
Angel,
no.
would you like these?
Uh-uh.
I don't
No.
know.
Angels are
Oh.
our photog for the day. So she's 11.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna do the second half of
Next.
this. That's
Yeah,
all.
the only thing
Ew.
keeping me from it is the heat.
Yeah.
Texas barbecue brisket
Yeah.
Pringles. Now
Yum.
this,
Wait, I need a palate
about
cleanser.
it.
Hang on.
Go.
I got a drink. Yeah. Ugh.
Oh man, gross. Ugh. I don't like the whole dye number 5.
Don't put the lid on. I
Yeah.
want to try it. Oh,
hang on, what
really?
is what
Sorry.
is this?
I'm sorry. Have it.
Okay.
What is it? Texas barbecue brisket. All right, so it should taste beefy. It says it's bursting with flavor.
Meh.
Artificial flavor.
I give it a 5.
I'm single like a Pringle is my favorite song.
Ah, she said it. I wondered who would be the first to say it. Okay,
Susie, well, no, you can't.
next.
But wait, it's not bad.
You want to try some
That's
chips?
okay.
Are we in your way? Okay.
I mean,
It's
got
okay.
flavor.
Beer can chicken.
Okay, now
Yeah,
that's
okay.
gonna be interesting.
Now we're talking.
And they co-sponsored it with Light.
Wow, okay.
Miller Light, I guess.
All right, okay.
It better be light beer then, so these
Miller Light and
chips
chicken.
I think
Beer can
low in
chicken.
calorie.
I'm looking forward to this. I think it's gonna be good.
Really? Okay, let's try.
I mean,
It is. I like
beer and
that.
chips.
And I'm a Modelo guy.
I mean, if you don't like beer, you're not gonna like it.
It's
But it does
interesting.
really taste like beer.
Got a beer taste to it.
I don't really taste the chicken.
I don't taste chicken either. All right, what's our last one?
All right.
Oh, another hot one. Yeah.
There we go. Okay.
Why do
So
we
this
end
is-
on hot?
I don't know, but
More Pringles. And the fun thing about Pringles, of course, is that, I don't know, they come in. I like that they don't get crushed all the
Oh,
time.
me too.
Like these. Okay.
Fair.
here we go.
What is it? Hot what?
Hot ones with hot sauce. Rojo, which is red.
no.
Oh no. Do you watch
Don
Hot Ones?
Caliente. Yes.
I
what?
love Hot Ones. Did you watch that show?
It's celebrities.
Oh my gosh, it's celebrities and they do hotter sauce as they go, and
Oh,
then they
wow.
answer interview questions at the same time. It's
What?
hilarious.
It is. They try. Whoever came up with that idea was
That is
great because
brilliant.
it shows all these celebrities like literally
Choking
crying
while they're
trying to answer
Exactly.
so my
Hot
influences.
Ones. Oh, I'm scared now.
I don't know if I really want to try it. I'll just try a little.
Hold on. Oh, fire.
It's disgusting.
If you like fire.
No, it tastes good.
It does,
It's just
if you
really
like
hot. That dill pickle thing tasted awful and was hot, but this is actually good. This is actually I can do this one. This is good.
All right, Paula George of Sapulpa.
You rock. You're the one.
Congratulations on your incredible
Absolutely.
bacon grilled
Can
cheese
we have
recipe.
another one of those?
Yes.
Yeah, let's
Yeah.
open this up and just
Dig
finish it
in.
out.
Dude, we can't do the hot anymore. We gotta have more of Paula George's chips.
I'm happy a national contest and somebody from Sapulpa won. It's such a heartwarming
These other
story
flavors.
to help her remind her of her dad that used to make her bacon grilled cheese sandwiches when
Yeah.
she was little. So
Good stuff.
See, there you go, Angel. Whatever I make you for lunch, maybe you can turn it into $1 million sometime later.
Happy July 4th, everybody.
Happy July 4th, everybody.